If you're someone that hasn't worn eyeshadow in a long while, I think these two palettes are just about to change all of that. I'm going to walk you through a really quick and easy daytime look, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to take that daytime look into a stunning smoky eye. I'm going to create a really lovely daytime look. Take this champagne shade, dab this onto my lid. This aubergine shade here, dab this into the corner of each eye. It's so easy to transform any eyeshadow look into a smoky look. To dab into the darkest shade, apply the dark shade across your lower lash line. I'm going to do the other side. Use a medium toned colour. I'm going to apply this right hugged in to my lower lash line. Take a Q-tip, put this into the champagne colour here, dab this onto my tear duct area. Every shade in each palette has been expertly designed to work together. That means whichever combination you choose, you will never go wrong. It will leave you with a gorgeous eye look.